Hey guys, what's going on? It's Clever Techie, and in this video we're going to learn how to install Apache server on Windows 11. Go ahead and open up the browser and go to apachelounge.com/download. First, we want to be sure to install Visual C++ Redistributable Visual Studio. You want VC Redist x64 if you have a Windows 64-bit version, and you want VC Redist x86 if you have a Windows 32-bit. To make sure which Windows version you have, go to Windows Search and type System Information, press Enter. The System Information window will appear. Under System Type, you will see what system type you have. x64 if you have a 64-bit, and x86 if you have a 32-bit. I have a x64-bit version, so I am going to download VC Redist x64. Next, we want to download the latest version of Apache, which is 2.4.66 at the time of the recording of this video. Go ahead and click on this zip file here to download the latest version of Apache. Once the file has been downloaded, first go ahead and install Visual C++ Redistributable by double-clicking on the installer. I already have it installed, so I'm just going to go ahead and click Close. But you go ahead and proceed with the setup if you don't already have it installed. Next, the Apache files come in a zip file. Let's go ahead and right-click on the zip file and select Extract All. And we're going to click on Browse and navigate to the Windows C drive. That is where you want to extract all of the Apache files. Select Folder, Extract, and that will go ahead and extract all the files into the C drive. Now we have Apache in the C drive. Now let's go ahead and run Apache. Go to Windows Search, type cmd, and open up the command prompt and run it as administrator. Click Yes to open up the command prompt. Now we're going to go ahead and navigate to the Apache directory by typing the command cd, and then the directory where we have extracted our Apache files, which is C Apache 24 and /bin, which is where the Apache executable file is. Press Enter, and now type httpd. Press Enter to run Apache. If you see this notification here, it just means that the Apache doesn't know which server name to use. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that. Close the command prompt and go to your Apache directory. Open up the conf folder. Click on httpd.conf. Right-click on it. Edit in Notepad. Press Ctrl F and search for server name. And scroll down here, and you should see this line, server name, www example port 80. So just go ahead and uncomment, remove the pound sign here. Oops. So just remove the pound sign, and instead of www example, type localhost. And that's it. Once you do that, press File, Save, to save the configuration file. Close it. Now let's go back and open up the command prompt by typing cmd and running it as administrator again. And do the same thing, cd c Apache 24 bin. Type httpd to run Apache. Press Enter. And if you have no errors showing up, that means the Apache is running. Let's go ahead and go back to the browser and type localhost, just like that in your browser. Press Enter, and you should have it works which means Apache has successfully been installed on your computer. You now have Apache running on Windows. One last step is we're gonna install Apache as a Windows service, which is highly recommended. Let's go ahead and go back to command prompt. Actually, let's open up a new command prompt. Type cmd. Again, open up the command prompt and navigate to the Apache directory again. Bin. And now we're gonna type this command exactly as I do here: httpd.executable space -k install. Press enter. Oh, okay, so X is denied. So that's why you want to make sure to run command prompt as administrator. So I forgot to do it this time. So go ahead and close the command prompt, cmd. And this time we're going to run as administrator. Press yes. Navigate to the Apache directory again. Apache 24 bin. Type the command again, which is httpd.executable -k install. Press enter. And now, as you can see, Apache 2.4 service is successfully installed. Now, let's go ahead and open up the Windows services by typing services in our Windows start. In the services, you should now see Apache 2.4. Right-click on it and press start. And that should run Apache as a Windows service. Go back to the browser, localhost, refresh the page, and you should still see it works. So now the Apache has successfully been installed on your Windows, and we have also successfully installed Apache as a Windows service. And that's how you install Apache on Windows 11. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Clever Techie out.